Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you collections icon show in toolbar Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge that has been pinned in my taskbar. Go to here, click and go to the upper corner, right corner, 3-dot icon. Here we want the collection, otherwise we can do the Control plus Shift plus capital letter Y. So click here. See here the collection thing has been here. Again internet has gone. Okay, I will do the hotspot from my phone. So I have opened the hotspot from my phone. Here let's check it has come or not. Before that I have disconnected this and see my phone is Oppo Reno 6. So click here and the connection automatically connected, and this connection go from the Oppo Reno 6 phone. So I have clicked for closing. Here the thing has been again come. Here we want to do the collections, Control Shift. This is the button from the keyboard. See, we have clicked and these icons has been here. This is the icon from collection. So here the lots of collection. Let's check what have there have nothing. If we want to current the add page, so let's check from the add page which one. This one I will add. Close it. Here the msn.com site has been here. So I will do the add current page. Click here, add. See, there are lots of things. See here the things. Again we will go collections, wish list. Here the two items I have add. Here the MSN before I have shown you. This side and this side I have add for collection and going for. I have also the lots of things and create a new collection. If you want to create like Ayesha house. See, I have created a new collection. Save. See here the Ayesha house. It's a new collection. Here I can add. See, let's check the this app, or I can collect it lots of things. Also can correct it the current page. This thing or add. It has been coming. See, the thing has here. So Ayesha house has one items collection which are this space, bearing this space. So in this way we can add this thing. So also we can the customize or the thing has been what, customize the tool. Here the show menu. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.